Trello is a versatile tool for managing game development projects, offering a simple yet powerful way to track progress, collaborate, and stay organized. Set up boards. Create a Trello board for your game project. Divide the workflow into lists such as ideas, to-do, in progress, testing, and completed. Create cards. Add cards for tasks like creating assets, coding features, or writing dialogue. Each card can represent a specific task or milestone. Detail cards. Use card descriptions to outline requirements. Attach documents, images, or reference links. Add checklists for subtasks to ensure nothing is missed. Assign team members. Tag team members to add cards for accountability. This makes it clear who is responsible for each task. Set deadlines. Use due dates to track time-sensitive tasks. Visualize the timeline with Calendar Power-Up. Use labels and filters. Organize tasks by categories using labels. Filters help narrow the view based on roles or priorities. Collaborate. Comment on cards to provide feedback or updates. Tag team members for direct communication. Track progress. Regularly move cards across lists to reflect their status. This keeps everyone aligned and informed.